What if the secret to becoming rich is actually boring? Not crypto hype. Not day trading. Not chasing the next big thing. But slow, predictable, almost boring assets. And yet, this is exactly how most millionaires quietly build wealth. So why does boring win, while exciting investments often lose? Problem: the misunderstanding. Most people think wealth is built through big wins. They imagine one lucky stock pick, one viral investment, one massive return. But here's the truth. Most people lose money chasing excitement. Because excitement in investing usually means high risk, high volatility, emotional decisions. Meanwhile, millionaires are doing the opposite. They're buying index funds, rental properties, dividend stocks, bonds, cash flow assets. Assets that are predictable, stable, and yes, boring. Why it happens: psychology. This all comes down to human psychology. Your brain is wired for dopamine, fast rewards, excitement. That's why people check stock prices every hour, jump into trends late, panic sell during drops. But smart investors understand something deeper. Wealth is not built on dopamine. It's built on discipline. Boring assets remove emotion. They don't tempt you to trade constantly, react impulsively, chase trends. They let time do the work. Real example: $1. Let's start small. Imagine you invest $1 into a boring index fund averaging 8% annually. After 10 years, right pointing arrow tilde dollar 2.159. After 20 years, right pointing arrow tilde dollar 4.660. After 30 years, right pointing arrow tilde dollar 10.062. No hype. No excitement. But your money, 10x D. Real example, $10. Now scale that. $10 invested at 8%. After 10 years, right pointing arrow tilde dollar 21.589. After 20 years, right pointing arrow tilde dollar 46.609. After 30 years, right pointing arrow tilde dollar 100.626. This is where most people start to feel something strange. It still feels too slow. And that's exactly why most people never get rich. Real example, $100. Now think bigger. $100 invested. After 10 years, right pointing arrow tilde dollar 215.892. After 20 years, right pointing arrow tilde dollar 466.095. After 30 years, right pointing arrow tilde dollar 1.006.265. That's over $1 million. From doing almost nothing. No trading. No guessing. No stress. Just boring consistency. The real secret: time plus compounding. Millionaires aren't smarter because they pick better stocks. They're smarter because they understand compounding. Compounding turns time right pointing arrow into money. Patience right pointing arrow into wealth. Boring right pointing arrow into powerful. And here's the key insight. Exciting investments interrupt compounding. Boring investments protect it. What are boring assets? Let's break it down. Millionaires love assets that generate steady returns, require little attention, grow over time. Examples: 1. Index funds. Track the market. Low cost. Historically consistent. 2. Real estate. Monthly cash flow. Appreciation over time. Tax advantages. 3. Dividend stocks. Pay you regularly. Grow slowly but steadily. 4. Bonds. Fixed income. Lower risk. Predictable returns. Nothing here is flashy. But everything here works. Contrast: exciting versus boring. Let's compare. Exciting investing. Fast gains sometimes. Huge losses often. Emotional roller coaster. Boring investing, slow growth, predictable outcomes, long-term wealth. One feels good in the moment. The other builds your future. Why most people fail. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't fail because they lack money. They fail because they lack patience. They quit too early, switch strategies, chase trends. Every time you restart, you reset compounding. And that costs you years of growth. Solution framework: how to invest like a millionaire. If you want to think like a millionaire, follow this. 1. Automate your investing. Set monthly contributions: $100, $500, $1. Consistency beats timing. 2. Choose simple assets: index funds, ETFs, real estate. Avoid complexity. 3. Ignore short-term noise. Stop checking daily prices. Think in years, not days. 4. Reinvest everything. Dividends right pointing arrow reinvest. Cash flow right pointing arrow reinvest. This accelerates compounding. 5. Stay boring. If it feels exciting, it's probably risky. Boring is the strategy. Wealth mindset shift. Final message. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Wealth is not built in moments of excitement. It's built in years of consistency. Millionaires don't chase thrills. They build systems. They don't look for shortcuts. They trust time. And while everyone else is distracted by the next big thing, they're quietly buying boring assets and getting richer every single year. So next time you feel tempted by a hot investment, ask yourself, is this exciting or is this effective? Because the path to wealth isn't flashy. It's quiet. It's patient. And yes, it's boring.